Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand pointer to pointer in C. So far, we have covered the concept of pointers in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, coming to this class, we'll try to understand pointer to pointer in C. So, what this pointer to pointer means is, pointer to pointer is a pointer which stores the address of a pointer. So it looks a little bit funny. So let's try to understand this with an example. So here this is how the declaration of pointer to pointer is done. Two stars are used because two levels of pointing is there. So two stars are used. Here PTP is a pointer to a pointer which is storing the address of a pointer. Pointer to pointer means it is a pointer which stores the address of another pointer. P is a pointer, right? P is a pointer. So let's start from here. A is a variable. A is a variable which is storing an integer variable which is storing 10, and it is stored in location 100. Which is stored in location 100. P is a pointer. P is a pointer which is storing the address of A. Which is storing the address of A. Okay, and it is stored in location 200. Now, what is a pointer to pointer? PTP is a pointer to a pointer which is storing the address of a pointer. P is a pointer. If an address of a pointer is stored in another pointer, that pointer is what we call it as pointer to a pointer. Hope you got the clarity. Okay. So PTP is storing the address of P, which is 200, and it is stored in location 300. Okay. So now, in order to see here, what this declaration states is, PTP is a pointer which is pointing to another pointer which is pointing to integer value. PTP is a pointer which is pointing to another pointer. Here the another pointer is P. This P is pointing to an integer value. This P is pointing to an integer value. That is the meaning of this entire declaration. So once again, to make the things simple, PTP is a pointer which is pointing to another pointer which is pointing to another pointer. That another pointer is which is pointing to a pointer, and that pointer is P, and which is pointing to an integer variable, which is pointing to an integer variable. So that is the meaning of this declaration. See here, these printf statements, A, we want to print A, so directly we will get A. Star of A, indirection operator, in order to get the value to which a pointer is pointing to. So pointer P is pointing to A, so the value stored in which the P is pointing to is 10. So it is going to print 10. Star of PTP. So what does that mean? Indirection operator. This is PTP. The address of the address stored in PTP is 200. Star of PTP. So what is the value stored in address 200? It is 100. So this entire declaration, so star of PTP is going to get an output of 100. Star of 100. Star of 100 means it is the value stored in memory location 100. Star of 100 means it is 10. So it is going to print the value 10. So this is what we call it as pointer to pointer. In the same way, any levels of pointers to pointers can be declared. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.